Hello guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we will see how you can change your ambient music song category in your iPhone. After iOS 18.4, this feature is available for all the users. And here you can play multiple songs, multiple tracks as per your mood, like a background for a chill moment, right? So now, if you want to change the music category or music type as per your mood, how to do it? For example, if you see here is a chill music, it is playing. So now if you want to change the music type for a particular mood, how to do it? Very easy. Just do one thing. Okay, enter into the edit mode. Okay, hard press here. It is the option given to you. So do one thing, from given category, just go ahead and tap on whichever you want to change it. Just go ahead, tap on that, and here under each category like sleep, there is a playlist, and tap here. And there are multiple options given to you for a playlist. Just go ahead and change your playlist. For example, the ambient bedtime or restful notes, choose it and save it. So from next time onwards, your sleep category or your ambient music for a sleep will change, and it will play a different playlist for your iPhone for a particular mood. So like that we can easily change a playlist or a music category for your ambient music, sleep, or any mood. So guys, that's it. I hope it helped you, and if yes, please like the video and subscribe. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.